singing and dancing before the shopping haul. Hi and welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time here, welcome. My name's Simone. Today I'm going to show you everything that I bought from Marks and Spencer's this week. So this shop is for a family of 5 and I spent £120. I had a £10 off voucher that I found in one of the trolleys, and then I found a load of other vouchers as well which I can use right up until January. I don't know if I'm going to show meals at the end of this. I've just been so busy and filming the meals and cooking them and things like that. It takes up a lot of time, and I've noticed that say if my video's half an hour long, it's only being watched like by about 8 minutes, so I don't know if people are enjoying it that much. Thank you to everybody who has given me feedback though, who've said that they've been enjoying it. I will try and make some more videos with the meals that we're having. So anyway, I'm going to show you everything that we've got. I tried to, it's all cramped up a bit because I just wanted it all on this side. So I've got 3 loaves of bread here. This is a super thick white and it was reduced from 55p to 43p. So I've got 2 white and then I've got thick whole wheat one. We've got Neighbour's favourite butter, which is local to the island. I got this for Neighbour as well, red salmon. I'm probably gonna, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that. If I've made something with it, like a meal or something, I'll put a photo if I can. I've got some Himalayan pink rock salt, and then we've got 5 packs of eggs for Ryan and the kids. We've got the plant-based mayonnaise, and then Ryan chose this cornflakes for this week for him, and the kids wanted to have the fruit and fibre, so we've got that for 1 or 2 of the days. And then I've got 2 lots of oats here. I'm going to be trying to make my own oat milk this week, so if I've done it and made a video, I will link it above. I'm sorry about all of the noise, but the kids are arguing in the other room. We've got blueberries here which are frozen. We've got this velvet hummus. I really love this. It is so smooth. I don't know how they make it, but it's so nice. And then we've just got a normal hummus with extra virgin olive oil. We've got tofu for me, and we've got the tomato paste for making spaghetti bolognese. I've got Neighbour 2, and Caleb will probably have this as well, 2 Greek unsweetened yogurts. And then we've got diced beef to make something, probably slow cook that. And then we've got 5% mince for spaghetti bolognese. And then we've got these 2 packs of beef sausages. I think we're going to put one of them in the freezer. And that's 2 for £5. You can get mix and match. And then we've got breaded haddock. And then I've got a medium-sized chicken at the back, which was £3.50. These potatoes were so cheap. I think they were selling them cheaper because maybe they've not sold a lot over Christmas, but it's 5 kgs in weight, and I think it was only about £2.50. If you've been on some of my other videos before, you'll know that I really like these King Edward potatoes. They are the best for roasting. And then I've got lime and lemons for hot water in the morning. And then we've got a cauliflower, which was only £1. These pineapples were only 65p, so less than $1, so we got 2 of them. Some red onions. And these 2 avocados, which are ripe. And then I've got a pack of round tomatoes. 2 packs of carrots. You didn't have any of the 2 kg bags, so I had to get 2 packs of the 500 grams, and they were only 35p, so less than 50 cents. I've got an organic celery, pack of mixed peppers. There's 4 red and I think 1 yellow in there. This Cavolo Nero. You might notice that I don't have a lot of processed plant-based food in this shop. I'm going to be trying to make a lot more plant-based items from scratch. Eating more whole food. So again, if you're interested in these type of meals that I'm making, then let me know. I can't get my words, that's why. Let me know in the comments below, and then I can maybe show you some of the meals that I'm having. I got this again, this cracked, because I am going to try and crack Yorkshire puddings, vegan ones, once and for all. I had a go at them the other week and they kind of came out alright, but I need to really stick to the recipe and see if I can do them really well. So yeah, stay tuned for them. And then I've got this grape seed oil for cooking, and we've got cannellini beans for homemade baked beans, chickpeas for curry, and butter beans for another day for baked beans as well. I've got some of these apples for the kids, the little tiny ones, Royal Gala. I got some basmati rice, extra green beans, fine green beans, they're frozen, a big broccoli, super sweet corn. Just going to shut this door 1 second. Yeah, super sweet corn, this cucumber, then these were only 65p, kiwis, and then we've got loads of bananas here. Then I bought these avocados to ripen at home because they were only £2 for 5 avos. The kids and mine are really enjoying them, and I want to start putting them in smoothies, so I got another 2 here which are already ripened. Then we've got some Brussels sprouts, they was in the sale as well I think. Got some olives, these ones are Kalamata ones, and they have the seed in them. Ryan really loves the ones which are in the seed, in brine red wine vinegar and extra virgin olive oils. Plant kitchen marshmallows for the kids for hot chocolates. And then I got these perfectly ripe pears for me. A bag of french fries to throw in the freezer in case we're rushing around, just put them in the oven. And then there's another pineapple, some breadsticks, and mature cheddar, and then we've got some spaghetti which I think was only about 65p, some organic plain flour for baking and for trying to make those Yorkshire puddings, coarse ground black pepper, vegan sunflower spread, and then I've got 8 tins of, oh, did I get plum? I usually get the chopped ones, but never mind. Yeah, we go through these like a tin or 2 a day with cooking. And then I've got 2 soya and 1 oat because I do have some dairy-free milk left, and like I said, I'm going to be trying my best to make some oat milk, and I think if I can do it, then it'll be brilliant because I'll save so much money. It'll bring my shopping bill down quite significantly. So this is everything that we've got for the week. So meal wise, I will tell you what kind of meals we're having, but like I said, I might put some of the meals at the end, but there's going to be sausages one day. So this is just for the family, not for me plant-based wise, but there'll be sausages for 1 day, chicken over 2 days, then there'll be the beef which is 4 days, and this beef mince which is 5 days, and then I've got the chickpeas, so there'll be a chickpea curry, and I've got lentils as well, so there'll be lentils for another day. So that's 7 days worth of meals for the family. The cereals for breakfast. Lunch, usually it's eggs. If you've been here before, eggs, homemade hash browns, beans or soups, like carrot soup, pepper and tomato soups, yeah, I'm just trying to think, or sandwiches as well. I've got tins of tuna left as well. So yeah, it kind of gives you a bit of an idea of the meals that we're having. But if I don't put meals at the end of this video, I do have older videos, and I've got timestamps so you can go and check out the types of meals that we're having if that's what you'd be interested in. So I really hope that you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Yeah, that's for you, isn't it? Are you saying bye? Bye. Bye. Oh, I forgot the coffee as well. We've got coffee up there as well. See you next time. Bye.